Man, I'm hungry, man. Late all the time. Just because you're a celebrity vlogger don't mean you can just be.
Here, I'm so sorry.
I was just talking junk about you.
Do not judge me. You know I'm always fashionably.
I'm hungry.
I know I'm hungry too. This takes work, you guys.
You better be glad you came looking like that
Thank
too.
you. But you know, I'm super excited because you guys all know that Southern food is my absolute favorite.
Mine too.
So we're here at where?
Mert's Heart and Soul, right in the center of downtown Charlotte. They definitely have some of the best food and some of the coolest decor in the city.
What you know, it's all about authenticity. Somewhere where you feel like home, and it's most about comfort. So I cannot wait to try their dishes.
Exactly, me neither. They got some stewed okra and tomato. And you know this country boy right here loves that, so we're gonna check it out.
Y'all, he's so country. Oh my gosh, what you got?
And you late.
Bringing you salmon cake. Since you just starting on the meat level,
Yes.
we don't want to push you too fast.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Yeah, and we're bringing you the age-old favorites of the South: fried chicken, okra, and rice.
I can't wait.
Life is so much about chance. You don't know your passions, and you don't realize them. This will go back to when I was in high school. I was in high school. A friend told me if I take home ec, I get to eat and meet girls. But I had to come for the early period. It was like 6:30 to 7. Right. Back in the day, in the Charlotte business section, you'd be a big at the sports page. Right. Everybody read it, and they were doing a story. Before that, the reporter did a story that they couldn't find a Snicker bar past 7th Street. That make you a world-class city if you got a Snicker bar. And so I read the story and I called the reporter up and I said, you ain't come far enough. I said, I got Snickers at the corner of 9th because my restaurant was there. Right. And that's 7th. He said, you got a restaurant down there? I said, yeah. He said, I'm going to make you famous. So he came down, and that back in the day with a little regular camera, took pictures. And that I was a feature store in the business section that Sunday. We were a booming business. But in the story, I had mentioned that when Bank of America was building all the buildings on Triumph, that I hope that the Bank of America and Hugh McCall and them don't come and knock the small guys out. And that was on Sunday. I guess on Tuesday, Mr. McCall came down, had lunch, and he wanted to let us know that the bank didn't do business like that. And he became a regular customer. He would have business luncheons in there all the time. Wow. Come out Saturday and Sunday. And maybe 7 months later, at the same time, they were talking about they need more storefronts, restaurants, instead of these things inside the building. The bank approached us and asked us, would we be interested in moving to a different location? I wasn't thrilled about it because the location was on College and there was no traffic on College. Right. So my wife, I told her, I said, I'm not sure about this. She said, the bank want to do it. They know more than you. I said, I don't know. So we came over here and they loaned the money for the location to get us started.
Oh, wow. Okay, so I definitely want to ask you, where did you get the Snickers bars from? Like, did you always sell them, or like?
When I told him we had Snickers, I didn't have any. I went to Sam's and bought some. If you would have asked when you came in to do the story. The name Merts. Our first restaurant was called GA on Triumph. We got a sign around showing it. And at that restaurant on 9th Street, the senior citizens used to eat with us. They located, they got a tower right behind us. And we used to do a buffet, lunch and dinner. And one of the regulars that used to come in was Miss Merle Lockhart. And we got to know her and her family really well. And she would tell me stories about when she was younger. She was flashy, wear jewelry, talk smack. And Miss Lockhart said when she was younger, her nickname used to be Mert. Wow. And she used to run a liquor house in South Carolina. So me and her joke back and forth about having money in the coffee can dug outside in the backyard, all kind of stuff. And before we opened up, Ms. Lockhart passed away. Wow. We had no idea what the restaurant was going to be. And I remember Ms. Lockhart nicknamed Merts. And I said, try Merts. And he added the heart and soul. And we seen the logo, me and my wife said, that's the name. Yeah.
host of Eat, Drink, and Handle Your Business. And today's segment is all about cheap thrills. So I love traveling around Charlotte. I love to drink and I love to have fun, but I don't want to necessarily break the bank to do so. So today I'm going to tell you all about how you can do more with less. And I am here at Crazy Fish.
Welcome to Crazy Fish.
Thank you so much. And I'm here with the manager, Mert. Okay, so first I want to ask you this. What about this amazing decor and how long have you been here?
Well, we've been here for about 8 years. This used to be an old Pizza Hut. We bought the building and decided to go get a bunch of garbage and start welding it together, and this is what happened.
Okay, you guys, this is like walking into a living museum. There's so much color. It is like a burst of everything. And so I also want to ask you about your special. Something about amazing tacos and taking it to a new level.
Taco Tuesday.
Yes, $2 Taco Tuesday. So tell me, what are the specials?
So we have $2 tacos all day, and we have $4 Jack Daniels and whatever you want to drink with it.
Oh, Jack Daniels. Okay, that's one of my favorites. And if you've seen the last episode, Crab Boil, then you know that there's another signature dish that I am all about, and that is the shrimp and grits. Tell me about that.
Best shrimp and grits in town. Actually, our grits win best grits in town every year.
Oh, really?
Yes, they do.
Wow, and they've also been featured on Food Network. If anybody's a foodie, you know that that is definitely the way to go. So we're gonna try a few of these amazing dishes, and I am so excited because shrimp and grits are definitely one of my favorites. Okay, can you show me some of the samples and as
Sure.
we see and take a scene of this amazing decor?
Come on, let's go over to the bar. So what we have here is we have our wasabi lime salmon taco. We have our blackened mahi with our homemade kimchi on top. We have our Szechuan salmon. It's one of our most popular salmon dishes. And we have our popcorn or our buffalo chicken taco.
Ooh, which I'm super excited about because I'm definitely a pescatarian. So I've been looking at this mahi tuna with the homemade kimchi. So I'm gonna use my hands and just go ahead and dive right in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Totally worth it. $2 Taco Tuesdays. Can't miss it, Crazy Fish. You don't mind, do you?
No, I don't mind. Enjoy.
Oh yeah.
That's what we like to see.
This is next level. If I've ever wanted a taco to taste so good and to feel like it's authentic, this is where it's at.
Thank you.
I want to ask you, what is the inspiration with the peppers?
So basically, the shrimp and grits, the peppers are based on the Szechuan recipe.
Okay,
right?
okay, because I haven't seen that before.
Yeah, and then we add some pineapple and some mango salsa on top of that.
Oh wow, okay. So should I be ready for spice or is it mild?
Oh no, it's mild. You're
Okay.
gonna love it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I've never had pineapple in it. Oh my goodness. Now that's worth it. I've never had pineapple. It's very subtle, but it's so good.
Good.
And if you don't mind, I'm gonna drink the Jack and Coke. That's just what you need. Okay, so what is your favorite part about Crazy Fish?
Oh man, my favorite part is the people. You know, I work here because I like to be around the people out here.
Yes. Okay, so I want to thank you guys. This has been an amazing part of doing Cheap Thrills, $2 Taco Tuesday here at Crazy Fish. And our amazing manager, Mert, here has shown us a plethora of $2 tacos. All right, so we'll catch you next time.
Now, I want to show you guys how to cook one of our favorites. Everybody love our salmon cake. They're really unique. It's really simple to do. The mix, we use fresh salmon all the time.
Okay.
At the same time we're doing that, we're cooking oxtails for the night special. Now this is some of the sides we usually have. Well, these sides we have all the time.
Okay.
Black eyed peas.
Oh, yeah.
Your favorite okra and tomatoes,
got to
mine too,
have.
baby.
Got to have.
Steamed cabbage, red beans, chopped barbecue, collard greens, and our yams I showed you earlier.
Yes, sir.
Grits, green beans, rice, beef ribs. You can't find beef ribs nowhere in Charlotte. Everybody do pork ribs.
Yeah.
Most people don't realize that most of our vegetables are not cooked with any meat fat.
Wow.
The only thing with meat fat in it is our green beans. Now we got black eyed peas, the okra and tomatoes, red beans, my favorite. I love beans and rice. Steamed cabbage, macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes, and beef ribs. Beef ribs is also texture-wise, is more chewy.
Okay.
It's like a steak and a pork chop.
Okay.
The difference in it. Usually in the South, you don't find beef ribs. You go to Texas, you don't find no pork. Everything beef.
Right.
And that's one reason we did beef ribs. There's a little bit of meat put into it in that I quit eating pork when I was 16. So some of the items are the way I cooked at home that I brought with us.
Yeah.
Also, our very first restaurant was healthy Southern cooking.
Oh.
And we didn't have no fried anything.
Okay.
Right.
But nobody came.
Now, the beautiful decor here. Before we get out of here, you got to tell me what's your favorite piece of art. Because I know you got a favorite piece.
Well, it's a couple things.
Okay.
I don't know if you noticed all the playbills around the restaurant.
Yeah.
Well, we didn't ask for any of them. The first one we ever got was the Lion King.
Got it.
The cast was in town for 2 months, almost 3 months, and they gave us one. After that, any shows that ran a long time, the member would say, "Oh, you want a big playbill?" Because somebody else gave it to us, and they would. So we got playbills for 22 years worth.
Wow.
But my favorite photograph, we can't see it from right here, I don't think.
Yeah.
But right here, the 3 kids. The 2 girls came in when they were like 80 years old, and the brother passed away.
Wow.
And so, and if you take a look at that picture, they're the cutest little girls you ever want to see.
Yeah, definitely are, man.
Welcome back to Eat, Drink, and Handle Your Business. I'm Jazz, and I have another drink recipe for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys how to make the Paradise Cocktail. So first, you'll need some grenadine, orange juice, blue curacao, and some vodka. And also, we're going to use a lemon for your garnish. So what you're going to do first is just add a little bit of grenadine in a glass. That's about enough. And you want to put some ice in the glass. Let's make that go in there. All right. But you want to fill this up with ice. This ice is acting a little crazy today. So we're going to take this glass and we're going to put some, first we're going to put 2 ounces of vodka in the glass.
Mm-hmm. Talk to me.
Vodka, y'all.
Now we're cooking.
This brings back college memories.
Yeah, ice ain't gonna do nothing to me, but vodka will.
It's the ones where you just wake up.
Dab of blue curacao.
Oh,
dab.
okay, so
A
that's how you get
dab
the
on it.
color. Okay.
Yep, now put it in our shaker. We want to shake this up. Now we want to add some orange juice.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going to add our blue curacao that's in our shaker and just put it right on top.
Girl.
And then it's going to float and make a real pretty blue color.
Is that for me?
Yeah, that's
Is that for me?
Yep.
Ooh, I got to have it.
Now we got our lemon garnish with a little egg.
I done did
Taste
this
it, John.
before. I done did this.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
Yeah, I done been to Hawaii.
Oh yeah, that's the Paradise Cocktail.
Baby, let me be your candy liquor girl.
Everybody say no.
Yes.
Say everybody
I want to
say
lick
no.
you up.
no. We
You don't need
want
no
that
more
now.
liquor. That's it.
I don't need no more, but you keep
don't
making
need no
these.
more.
I'm gonna keep on drinking. Only we all been waiting for.
Ooh, yes. This is it.
And them collard greens look good.
Thank you. Thank you. I cannot wait to try it all.
Yeah, I don't even remember the last time I had no fried chicken.
Okay. We said our prayers. Father God, amen.
Amen. I got to get the okra with the right.
My goodness.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna stop playing. I'm gonna go right to this chicken.
That's exactly what I thought. Amazing.
See how juicy that chicken is? That ain't dry. You don't gotta put no water on it.
When he said the right amount of cheese, he must have been sent from heaven. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you guys know Texas Pete. I'm all about it, so I put Texas Pete on everything.
They
Just
need
a
to
little
cut us
dash.
a check for that. That's the advertisement.
Look, you got eggs, grits, everything.
And I like this pepper sauce. You know what I'm saying? That's that country boy stuff.
Oh my goodness.
So y'all definitely make sure y'all come check out Mert's Heart and Soul right here in the center of downtown Charlotte.
Oh, sorry. I'm back. You still rolling?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, okay. Thank you.